Okay, here we go, guys. We'll start over real quick here. Here's the break for August 7th, 2012 with one box of 2012 Inception and one box of 2012 Elite. Real quick, here's the winners. Scott 1964 got the Giants, Chargers, Saints, Bills, Patriots. Blunted Zero got the Cardinals, Bengals, 49ers, and Buccaneers. You also need to check out his website. He does some sick box breaks too. Blunted Zero. He does some awesome breaks. He's got plenty of them going, so check his eBay site. He's got some good breaks. I always bid on him. 33 Barkley got the Ravens, Lions, and Broncos. Falcons 1 got Falcons, Raiders, and Vikings. Kurt 3 got the Dolphins and Packers. And Schweitz, Steelers, Browns. CMCJ got the Eagles, Texans. Gabers 1 got the Rams, Seahawks. Cubbies fans got the Jets, Jags. Huffy Ken got the Cowboys. Play on Bricks got the Bears. Jay Koss got the Chiefs. Andrews got the Redskins. Ryan Tiny got the Panthers. Our guard dog got the Colts. And Kuko got the Titans. So, all right, guys, here we go. We'll start off with the box of Elite. Here we go, little number there. All sealed up still. Okay, here we go, guys. Quick time check real quick. 9:58 p.m. Thursday, August 7th. So hopefully it doesn't start messing up with us. Get this thing going. Good luck, guys. There's all the packs. Empty box. Okay. First pack. Here we go, guys. Okay, Greg Jennings for the Packers. Chris Johnson, Titans. And we've got a LaMichael James Elite Rookie Series. Silver, that's numbered 580 of 999 for the Niners. Filler card, Patrick Willis, Niners, and Matt Schaub for the Texans. Okay, we got Adrian Peterson for the Vikings, Fred Jackson for the Bills, and a rookie card of Levante David for the Buccaneers, numbered 549 of 999. Nice rookie card for the Bucs. Larry Fitz for the Cardinals, and Brian Urlacher for the Bears. Okay, Calvin Johnson for the Lions, Sam Bradford for the Rams, an Elite Series Gold for Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots, and that is numbered 10 of 149 for the Patriots. Oh, sorry, I just flung a card over, excuse me. Andre Johnson for the Texans, and Nate Washington for the Titans. Okay, Anquan Bolden for the Ravens, Darrelle Revis for the Jets, rookie card of Andre Bratch for the Jaguars, numbered 763 of 999. Oh, goodness, let me get it in the camera. Okay, for the Jags, filler card, Christian Ponder, Vikings, Steve Johnson for the Bills. Peyton Hillis for the Chiefs, Antonio Gates for the Chargers. Got a rookie hit here. Here we go for Green Bay. Rookie auto, Mark Tyler for the Packers. Nice hit for the Packers. Kurt 3, there you go, man. Numbered 434 of 699 on this one. Nice auto. First hit. There we go. For the Packers. Darren McFadden for the Raiders and Tony Romo for the Cowboys. I like these Elites a lot. They got a lot of numbered cards in them. Plaxico Burress for the Jets. DeMarcus Ware for the Cowboys. Let me scoot these up a little bit. Matt Castle for the Chiefs. Filler card, LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles, and Tim Tebow for the Jets. Ray Rice for the Ravens. Victor Cruz for the Giants. Colt McCoy for the Browns. Let me pull this back here in case we got something. Tavares Jackson for the Seahawks. Back to Blaine Gabbert for the Jaguars. Colt McCoy. And our second hit is New Breed, Robert Turbin for the Seahawks. Jersey card. Seahawks. Who got the Hawks? Gabers won. There you go, man. Robert Turbin for the Seahawks. New Breed. Sick looking card. Numbered 313 of 399. That's a nice card. Robert Turbin is a stud. He's an animal. Okay, Ryan Matthews for the Chargers, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers, and we've got an acetate card for the Saints of Nick Toon. These are cool looking cards. I'll put it up there. Numbered 158 to 399 of Nick Toon for the Saints. And Scott got the Saints there, got Nick. Okay, filler card, Julio Jones for the Falcons and Jimmy Graham for the Saints. Okay, Matt Hasselbeck for the Titans, Jared Allen for the Vikings, Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills, Matt Forte for the Bears, and Rashard Mendenhall for Steelers. Base pack there. I think they have 2 or 3 in each box. Mark Sanchez for the Jets, James Laurinaitis for the Rams, Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs, filler card, Matthew Stafford for the Lions, and Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Okay. Brandon Marshall for the Bears. Joe Flacco for the Ravens. And we've got a rookie card of Alfred Morris for the Redskins. Not the right Redskin you're looking for, but you'll take it. $9.59 out of $9.99. Rookie card, Alfred Morris for the Skins. Filler card, Darren Sproles for the Saints, and Devin Hester for the Bears. Okay, and Ndamukong Suh for the Lions. Steven Jackson, Rams. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Roy Halou Jr. for the Redskins. Back to Steven Jackson, and a hit list of Charles Woodson for the Packers. And that's numbered, wow, 44 or 49. Low numbered. 44 49 for the Packers. Okay, Eric Berry for the Chiefs. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. And another hit list of Charles Woodson. Wow, that's crazy. Let's see what this one's numbered to. 407 of 999. Huh, that's crazy. 2 hit lists of Packers. Filler card, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis for the Bengals, and D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers. Okay. Still got what, 2 hits left? Eli Manning for the Giants, Greg Little for the Browns, Heath Miller for the Steelers, Carson Palmer for the Raiders, and Jason Witten for the Cowboys. Ray Lewis for the Ravens, Brandon Jacobs for the Niners, and we've got a prime numbers of Adrian Peterson, 970 rushing yards, it says. That's a cool looking card. And that is numbered 59 of 149. Okay, then we got Steve Smith for the Panthers and Michael Vick for the Eagles. Okay, AJ Green for the Bengals, Phillip Rivers, Chargers, and we've got an Elite Series for Arian Foster for the Texans, silver. That's numbered 938 of 999. Okay. Filler card, Von Miller for the Broncos, and Vernon Davis for the 49ers. Okay, we got 4 packs left, guys. Clay Matthews for the Packers, Josh Freeman for the Buccaneers. Let me pull this one here. Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jags, Michael Turner for the Falcons, back to Josh Freeman for the Bucks, and we got an acetate card. Oh, this is sick looking. Brock Osweiler. Look at that. Acetate card, guys. Brock Osweiler auto for the Broncos. That's a sick looking card. Rookie inscriptions. That's cool looking. Who got the Broncos? I don't see them. Where are they? I know somebody got them. 33 Barkley. Okay, there you go, bud. 33 Barkley. Jeez. That's cool looking. This one is not numbered. Let me flip on the back, make sure. Yep, not numbered. That's a nice looking auto inscription. Okay, for the Broncos. That was hit number 2. Okay, we still got 3 packs and 1 more hit. What? Oh, that was hit number 3. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Charles Woodson for the Packers. LeGarrette Blount for the Bucks. We got a rookie of Brandon Whedon for the Browns. 166 out of 699. Rookie card. Okay. Filler. Frank Gore for the Niners. And Peyton Manning for the Broncos. Yeah, that auto's pretty crazy looking, yeah. Reggie Bush for the Dolphins. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Willis McGahee for the Broncos. Oh, we ended up with 4 in here. Nice. Joe Flacco, Ravens. Down on distance. Passing yards, 3,610. Purple jersey down the bottom corner. Nice. 4 hits. We'll take it. Numbered 83 of 299. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see in that corner. Joe Flacco for the Ravens. Who got the Ravens? 33 Barkley. Another hit, man. And then we've got Kevin Kolb for the Cardinals and Drew Brees for the Saints. Last pack, guys. Maybe we can get 5 in here. Okay, we've got Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. And we've got another prime numbers of Jimmy Graham for the Saints. 1,310 receiving yards. Numbered 91 of 999 for the Saints. Filler card, Jay Cutler for the Bears, and Arian Foster for the Texans. Okay. That'll do it for that break, guys. Right there. And we've got, we'll just keep rolling with Inception. I'll step aside here. No, go ahead. My wife wants to do this break, so we'll let her do this break here on Inception.
Okay, bear with me as I struggle through this.
She'll do just fine.
Okay, so here's the box. You can see it's sealed. Okay.
Down on the ground.
So there's the pack. Empty box.
Just close the box and put it on top.
Okay, are you ready for this?
Pull something sick out. As some of you know, we have hit the RG3 auto patch numbered to 25. Put them on. Oh, they're fine.
They're in order already? Yep, oops, I almost gave that one up then.
Yeah, they're in order.
Okay, so first one, Julio Jones. Falcons. Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Alex Smith for the San Francisco 49ers, numbered 60 out of 252.
Yeah.
Okay. Jamal Charles, Kansas City Chiefs, numbered 32 out of 75.
Ooh.
Okay, our first hit. Devere Posey, Am I saying that right?
Yeah, hold it up more straight. There you go. Here, yeah, DeVere Posey. That's a cool looking jersey.
That is cool looking.
Auto jersey, what's it numbered to? No?
It's not numbered.
Not numbered, huh? Okay.
That's Texans. Who has that? CMCJ.
CMDJ got that. Nice hit, man.
Okay. Next hit. PJ Graham, the Bills, 13 out of 25.
Ooh, that's a sick looking. Look at that
That's
patch.
pretty. Oh,
That patch is cool looking. Got the Bills. Only numbered to 25.
Scott, 1964 Scott.
Scott. All right, man. Nice card.
That's nice. Okay. Last hit. Michael Ignew, is that right?
Yeah, Michael.
With the Dolphins, numbered 83 out of 210.
That's cool. That's sick.
That's a nice card.
God, I love these cards. These are so nice.
Pretty. Okay, that's it.
Thanks, guys. We appreciate all the business. We're going to be putting up probably another same set, another box. We'll get these shipped out to you tomorrow, and we'll probably do another set of Inception and Elite, and another box of Bowman Platinum Baseball. If you guys are interested, check them out. We'll list them up tomorrow night. We'll get these shipped out. Have a good night, guys. Appreciate all the business, man.
We won't be as late tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do it earlier. We won't wait till midnight this time. Thanks, guys. Appreciate everything.